In this video, I'll show you how to join the Sea of Thieves Discord server on mobile. From your home screen, press on this green plus icon to the left, and then down at the bottom, tap Join a Server. Inside the invite link box, you're going to type Sea of Thieves. Make sure it's all one word and spell it exactly like that or it won't work. Tap Join with Invite link, and you'll see you've been invited to join the Sea of Thieves server. Press accept, and then tap confirm at the bottom if you get this capture message. And that's going to load us into the server. There will be some server onboarding questions first, so you can choose how you want to answer them. Not everyone will be the same. Once you've done that, you need to read and agree to the server rules. And we're now a member of the Sea of Thieves Discord server. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.